The curtain's coming down.
Curtain's coming down.
We bought this track from Amazon. I'll link it in case anybody's interested. I don't have an Amazon store. We're not affiliates, but we always like to show people what we're doing. Anyway, Patrick's putting that board up there, but that curtain's got to come down, and it served its purpose. But now we're going to get an actual door. And what do you do when you've spent your budget already for working on your house because things came up? You weren't expecting new tires on the truck. Wiped our budget out for building this month. So what do? Well, you do the things you can do. And see the door behind me?
That's what we're doing.
That's what we're doing. Cool. Use this door. Now, it's got some damage, which didn't come from the cats. Who'd that come from?
That came from my boot.
At least he's being honest. It did come from his boot. He got a little frustrated putting the hardware on. Anyway, we will put beadboard on this door to make it look like the rest of this wall behind me.
Right.
And so it will cover up the door handle where the door knob goes. It will cover a multitude of sin. Now, what I didn't show you is Patrick had to put some blocking on the other side to match up with the track. Just staying out of the way unless he needs me to hold something. I mean, it's not that complicated, and yet it is.
Hold on.
And this is not a how-to, trust me, because we don't know what we're doing either. Those lights come in handy for a lot of reasons. They're brighter than you think they are. We have to have 2 of them in our bathroom, but they do work quite well.
That one. We don't need, we don't really need one here and there.
These are.
It's all good. These big old bolts will hold that door, don't weigh nothing.
Yeah. Now we're putting the spacers in.
What am I doing?
I don't know. That's why he didn't put them all the way in there. He just wanted to make sure they were deep enough. So he's going to back them out and put the spacers in.
Oh, come on now. Here goes the B-I-A-K-O.
Whoa.
It's all right. Okay, let me go to the other side. Once I get them all kind of started, then I can snug them all up.
Do you know where he robbed that from?
From Peter.
To pay Paul.
To pay Paul.
Okay, so a lot of you are not new, and you know that we're taking the rest of this wall out to marry the living room and the dining room. And we have these studs that have to come out anyhow. So we're just robbing Peter to pay Paul.
Yep.
And taking this down. So we killed 2 birds with 1 stone. So what Patrick's going to do is that our door is narrower than our opening.
Yeah.
So we're going to put 2 2x4s on the sides and then just trim it out. No big deal. Using what we have. Oh, look at there.
We'll go.
It will go. You don't have to cut anything. Nice. I like it when a plan comes together. All right. Very nice. There you go. All right. We think we measured right. And Patrick had to put 2x4s on either side, and he's gonna have to put one more on that side because the opening was too big, but that's okay. We'll trim it out, it'll look good. We're not sure we had the right size bit because we're missing some bits, but he thinks he's got it big enough to where he can thread it.
Get on the other side of it.
Before he covers up the multitude of ridiculousness. All right, see the holes we originally screwed through the door, but we realized we couldn't put this thing on the tracks, and why we couldn't put it on the tracks. So we're hoping that these holes moved up will be okay and we can hang it on the track. Okay, Patrick has to put these rails, door stops, basically. They're rail stops, but he's going to be, these here have to go on the edge, and he has to actually remove the bolts on the ends to make them slide on, I guess. Aha, I see. Bear in mind the door is not finished. It's going to get beadboard on each side of it, probably within the month. It's not a high priority. I just want it to be on because the dogs wander in and out of the bathroom. It's annoying. It's a minor inconvenience to have the drape up, but I'd rather have a door up. Are you ready to hang it?
Yeah.
Let's hope. Did you want help? Move that stop further back. Uh-oh. Babe. It's too low, it won't hang. Do you like our homemade doorknob that's stuck on the door? It does work. It works just fine.
It's a door pull.
It's a door pull, yeah. Well, we're going to put beadboard on that door, but meanwhile, we needed something to, you know, cover the hole and shut it at the same time. It works. We didn't get a whole lot done.
No, we didn't.
But it's nice to have a door on the bathroom. We didn't get as much as we would like to normally get done, but having the door on the bathroom is major for us. I like it.
Yeah.
It needs a little adjustment. It also needs a beadboard on the front of it and to be trimmed out so it looks good. But other than that, it's up and it's functional.
It's up and running.
Yay. I'm not sure what else we're going to be doing, but I'm sure we're going to be doing something. Because we got to keep moving forward, even though we're going to do little things this month, I think.
Yeah, more insulation.
More insulation. Well, we'll just take you with her. Whatever we decide to do, we'll take you with us. And we appreciate you. If you have not, please subscribe. We would love to have you. Hit the bell for notification and give us a thumbs up on your way out.
Feel free to comment and share.
It really does help us a lot, and we love to hear from you guys. You guys are so great. We appreciate you. And until the next time we're together, if you have to,
And you might.
hunker down.